and we are here with Best of Lanka in Sri Lanka. This is March, and we want to tell you a little bit about our wonderful trip that we've had. Galle, what are all the experiences that we have shared this time?
Well, I just want to tell you that I think one of the greatest parts of the experience was Danushka and how much he knew about the country and was able to tell us as we went along the signs and the cool things. I loved the temple and all that he knew and was able to explain to us. The tea factory, and of course the cooking experience was really wonderful. That was really special. And seeing all the animals was incredible. That's what we came for. So it's definitely a rewarding and great experience.
So Best of Lanka has been very cooperative in letting us custom build our whole tour, and that has been most memorable for us.
Yep.
So we highly recommend that if you come to Sri Lanka, hire Best of Lanka and ask for Danushka.
Yep.
He's the best driver that they have.